Hello, how are you? I hope you are doing good. Welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Engineer Utsogo and I hope you will learn a lot today. So today we are going to learn how to import PDF files in Archicad, files with both drawings and renders of your drawing, how you can import them in Archicad. So me, you can see this here with me is a drawing. Let me increase its size so that you can see. Here is a floor plan of an bungalow. This is a lounge, dining, bedrooms, kitchen. And you can see it has grid lines, the elevation markers, including the dimensions. It also has elevations and a section right here. And on my right bottom, we also have some two renders and light plan here. Lastly, we have the title block, notes, and the logo of our company and section. So I want to import this in our Archicad. If you're seeking to learn how, come with me together. I'm going to close this. Open my Archicad, will be open. So to import this drawing, I go to File, then I look for external content, create external drawing, like that. Then I search drawing, reverse it. My drawing was called Mr. Alliance of Bishop Bungalow, like there. Open it. Now I'm going to get this and I zoom where I want to place my drawings, and I click there. As you can see, it has come, but it's not clear. What to do, I select it, and then I go to edit, then reshape, and I explode it into the current view. In exploding, I can keep the original elements after exploding, or I can decide not to. So let me decide not to keep the original elements and press OK. It will load for quite some time as we waiting. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Please comment and let us know what you want us to handle. Then is concerning this software. Any issues that you post in the comment section should be addressed. So it is still going to current view. It takes quite some time. Please be patient with it. It's almost done. It's out. And click in the document. Realize that it has finished. Yeah. So when you see this, don't worry. This tells you that it has finished exploding, but your drawings are grouped. So go back. Let us wait to load. Select it, but I've selected it. So you go back to edit and then go to grouping, and you need to select the drawing first, as I did, and then you ungroup. You can even use the shortcut there, Control, press down the Control button, Shift G. So I'm gonna click there. It will load for quite some time. And you have your drawing. The color of the selection is changed to black. This tells you that click outside. Now I can click each individual element about. So as you can see, I can move this and up here. I can move this. Let me show you how you can start editing. As you can see, it is a drawing that you can start working from this side. Now, because I did not keep the original elements loading, what I'm able to select is a series of lines. But if if I could have kept the original element, for instance, the drawing of toilet seat, I had kept the original element, then I could create the whole of it as a whole. But now I'm using these body lines put together. But as you can see, the drawing is here, just as we observed it in PDF. Let me just put it here. So, there you go. I'm hoping you have observed the same drawing side. So there it is. You can edit, add things. One disadvantage though with this, the scale it comes with a bit different from the scale from with, but you can always resize it and continue on. To learn how to resize the drawings in Archicad or change skills, please check out our videos. This content. Thank you very much. Hope that is it for today. From me, Brian, hope to see you next time. Thank you.